So we're at our new headquarters, which hasn't, as you can see, hasn't been fully equipped yet. We're in the process of that. In the next 3 weeks, this is where we're going to be stationed now, our headquarters. Very excited. We've got all the robots ready to go to Italy. These are just the ones going to Italy. All the other ones are in the warehouse coming here soon. That is Samroj, who is pretending to take all the robots, but actually that was for the camera because he's head of marketing, really. But he wanted someone looking busy in the background. So how busy are you?
Working really hard, doing not much.
There you go, exactly. So the other team, the teams are getting ready. Everything's about to go, but right now it's just me and Samroj trying to get some content so you can be with us on our journey. I will speak to you either at the airport or in Milano, where we're taking the coffee to the land of coffee, which is exciting, but also nerve-wracking because we're hoping that they love the quality of the coffee, because if not, it's going to be a bit of friction with the robots. But it's exciting, and this is what we've planned for years. So come join us with me on this journey, and the handyman that is the head of marketing. See you later. Hello. So this is number 2. The team is already on the way to Italy. They are in the trucks and on the planes and Milano bound. So that is very exciting. A lot is going on. As you can imagine, these things are a lot of logistical nightmares, which I love because we have the chance to be structured, organized, and showcase the LEC brilliance. And that is really important. Exciting times and a lot going on. I'm here at the office on Sunday, which is my favorite time, getting ready for the week. I saw something on Instagram where they talked about speed and those that get things done. And they talked about Elon Musk doing something in 8 days and everything like that. Well, for 74 years, LEC has had that mentality. If you're fast-paced, you find the quality in the speed, not one or the other. It's about how fast you can get to quality within speed. Doesn't matter if you get things wrong, it matters how fast you get there, and that's all that matters. And so right now we're launching in Italy. We're creating the roads all around Europe for amazing robotics, because the people that will succeed in robotics are the ones that create the infrastructure. And that's not just distribution, that's the software, which is hugely important. The after sales. Big corporate companies don't want to work with people that spend 5 days to fix something. Time is money. Time is seriously money, and that can't be more true. So that is our mentality, fast-paced. And as you're seeing this, if you're destined in your brain to overachieve what others think you can't do, reach out, come join the LEC Robotics team, come join the LEC AI team, the LEC Beverages team, and the list goes on. Come join us. We're on our way to Italy. Bang, 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 bang. Fast, 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 fast. Let's go.
No peeking, it's a secret.
We've just got to our stop before we get to Milan. This is unfortunate. We had a 5-hour delay on the Eurotunnel, so we wanted to get into Milan, but we've had to stop earlier. So just some of the realities of moving stuff around Europe.
Just to give you a little understanding of what we're up to, because we've had 74 years in trade, we were the first company to ever trade with China. That was my grandfather. And we've been doing it through the generations, through my dad, through myself. Our relationships over there are set in stone because of delivery over those 74 years. Right now, we are speaking to all the robotic companies in China. We have a group that has them all on it. We communicate with them all. We understand what their thoughts are. We've got two big initiatives going on right now, which is one is called the Gateway. The Gateway is taking Chinese robotics to France, to London, into our showroom to be able to show the UK what they're doing, what is actually working right now in robotics, because most of the people here have no idea what is feasible and usable. So we are showcasing that in the showroom, and then we're going to take them to the Lord Mayor, the City of London Lord Mayor show, which is live on the BBC, millions of people watching, which is a lot of fun and a lot of eyes. The other initiative is the House of Robotics, and the House of Robotics is taking Chinese hardware, taking it on a container, all paid for by LEC. It comes to our new headquarters in Chelsea. We're bringing all the robotics to Europe. We're creating our own bespoke ideas that we can take to China to be able to be manufactured, because don't misunderstand something. If you want to scale in robotics, there's only one country that's going to be able to do that manufacturing. We know that very, very well. But the security can all be done over here in the UK by companies like ourselves that are a British, London-born software and hardware company. So there we go. There's 2.5. A little sauce for your Sunday.
Hello, this is Stephanie from LEC Robotics. I am in the operations department. I have been forced to do this by our social media as it is 5:30 and I would love to go home right now, but at the moment in the office we are full steam ahead with our Italy project. Right now we have 3 of our team members over there and I've been heading all of the operations and logistics and organising all of their lives for the last week, and it's been incredibly hectic. We've got 2 more of our team members going over there tomorrow, which includes our CEO and our head of socials, so hopefully the socials carry on over there rather than over here. But we have been organising, setting up all the robots today in Italy, and it's been a very, very exciting but intense day. But with Jack, our CEO, going over there tomorrow, we have a lot of exciting meetings to potentially get LEC Robotics to go Europe. So stay tuned and watch this space.
Hey, this is Chu from finance team.
Everybody, this is Quinn. I'm the Senior Operations Manager here at LEC Robotics, and it has truly been an incredible week here. We are currently in the middle of bringing the XBot S Pro and the Coffee Plus coffee machines to Italy, and it has truly stretched my operations brain. From sorting out the logistics of moving half-ton machines all the way from the UK to Italy to sourcing premium coffee beans and paper cups in Milan, it's truly been a rewarding experience. And if you think you'd like to come out and see those machines for yourself, maybe grab yourself a free coffee, come see us at the Fresco in Semino, just north of the Duomo in central Milan. The address is in the caption.
Ciao a tutti, sono Scarlett from LEC Robotics, and I support press and communication in Italy launch. While all my colleagues in Italy making sure all the things on track, I'm someone make sure all our stories reach to our lovely audiences. This time we work with Avolta, the global leader in travel retail, and Italy, the iconic food and beverage brand in Italy. Stay tuned.
This has been by far one of the craziest work weeks of my life. My name's Samraj. I'm the head of marketing and creative at LEC Robotics and AI. So just for a bit of context, we have been working on a partnership with Avolta. We're taking our coffee robots to Milan. And then the CEO turns to the team about just over a week ago and says, yo, why don't we use this as an opportunity to expand into Milan fully? And we're like, all right, let's go, let's do this. First of all, we need a location, so we put out ads for that. Localized it to Italian. We're going to be at a place called Fresco and Cimino, just above Duomo. It's a beautiful, gorgeous location. Anyone out there in Milan, please come through. Plus on top of that, I mean, the coffee robots are just really cool. We've even been doing outreach emails to the press, to influencers, content creators. The AI team's been working on that. Social media content and adverts to get people to the actual venue. It's on the 29th and the 30th. That's Wednesday and Thursday, by the way. Come check it out. I saw Starbucks have been doing this as well, right? They've basically put forward a strategy of where they use their baristas as content creators essentially, and it's like, oh, yo, this is cool. You get to showcase the team. Everyone gets to follow the story of what goes on, the trials and tribulations. So I'm like, what if we do vlog style diary entries from the entire team? How does an international robotics operation actually work? Some took in their stride, the group CEO Jack.
Hello.
And some were apprehensive. Fair enough. Everyone else. I was able to convince them though. I've always liked a very transparent approach to marketing. See what the team are like. See them as their authentic selves, so I think that'll be cool. Follow us to our journey into Milan. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Yeah, so Jack, tell me, how was your journey into Milan? How's it been going with the Volta? What's been going on?
The journey was good. I had a good fight with the cab driver on the way. He was an Inter Milan fan. I was telling him the best team in the world is Arsenal. Other than that, the Volta event is going swimmingly. Everyone is loving it. They are obsessed with the robotic coffee machines, which is very, very positive, very exciting.
Come on, love to hear it. So Graham, you drove the truck for nearly 2 days with about a ton of equipment in here. How was the 2-day drive?
Driving's been fine. Second day was much more interesting. We drove up through the Alps.
Oh, beautiful. The views must have been incredible.
The views were incredible. We went through Mont Blanc.
Any challenges along the way other than the €300 toll?
No, we refueled a few times. It was quite hard doing that length driving. We took some breaks, so it's fine.
Thanks for that, Graham. That is logistics and deployment. So Jack, day one of Project Italy done. Today you have presented our robotics to a Volta. How are you feeling?
Today was a good day. I think Volta were really happy. That's the most important thing. I think their partners were really enthused about innovation, robotics. A lot of questions asked, a lot of excitement. I think a lot of future business, and it was a successful day all around. Our team did a great job.
And if I'm right in saying so, you also made a friend today.
I did. I enjoyed talking with Marcelo. He had a good spirit. He's exploring the robotic market. He hasn't had the in-depth experience that we've had. That means absolutely nothing other than the experiences are different. So you learn from each other. As cheesy as that sounds, it's so true. I think today the greatest moment was being able to chat with him and hear his story and what he's up to. I think he'll be very successful. He's a good man, and I wish him very well.
Taste test.
Good. So good.
Yes, please. How is it?
No!
Okay, taste test. What do you think?
Very good.
It's pretty fancy. It's pretty tasty.
Oh, wow. Amazing, really.
It's good. Made by a robot.
That's really good.
It's good, as I expected.
It's so delicious.
Would you like to know?
What are you here for?
So this is the launch event for LEC Robotics in Italy. We're expanding Europe-wide. And for our launch, we're collaborating with Fresco and Cimino. This is Jack Perry. This is the group CEO of LEC Robotics.
I'm feeling very Italian right now.
As part of the event, we're giving away free coffee, free iced latte, free beautiful latte art.
You gonna drink it?
Taste test. Yeah, that's really good. Really good. I'm not biased at all. This is really good.
I think you're paid to say that, no?
Who said that? Day 2 done. You presented to a Volta and now you've showcased robotics to the public. How's it gone? How'd you feel?
Today was good fun at Fresco and Chimino. When we arrived, I think the staff there were a bit worried about robots coming in and doing their job. And then by the end of the day, they were absolutely loving the robots doing the job that they're actually not that interested in doing. The restaurant owner was super happy with the amount of people that came. It was a huge amount of footfall. Everyone getting their logos of the cathedral, Inter Milan, AC Milan. We also had Napoli because the restaurant owners were from Napoli. Of course, we had God's team, the best team in the world, Arsenal, that I made sure was there. A lot of people came down from banks, retail, restaurants, many different industries asking about robotics in general, what it could do for their businesses. We took them through step by step and showed them different robotics that could be used bespoke for what their needs are, and that was exciting. So I think there's a tremendous amount of business that can be done in Italy for LEC Robotics and the whole of the Italian change into the new world of robotics. Very, very exciting. Today was a tremendous success and our team worked super, super hard in the scorching heat. But out of 10 today, there's no such thing as a 10, so it was a good solid 8. 8.1. We've just finished our Italian launch, which has been a great success. We started off with the Volta, the leaders in retail and duty free, and everyone there was excited with the innovation and the technology. And then we were right here. You can't really get much cooler than that as a launch goes. The coffee robots have been serving to all of Italy, the land of coffee, the home of coffee, and it's been a great success and everyone is really excited. Not only just for the coffee, we had loads of talks about what businesses can do to adapt and adopt into technology when it comes to automation and physical AI, which is robotics. So this is just the start. It's been really exciting. Coffee got us to Italy. Of course, I couldn't imagine it any other way, but I see a lot of other products coming here very, very soon. So, great success, and we'll see you back in London.
So this is Pripal, my final vlog of the trip. As you can see, we got the S Pro. Look where we're dragging it through. Who would have thought we'll be dragging an S Pro through Milan.